Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to talk about an easy way of creating gorgeous wavy hair. And that is by using hairstyling tools that have been specifically designed to do so. With a good hair curling waver, creating a tousled, crimped, loose, or a defined look is easy, convenient, and incredibly fast. And you can create hairstyles that last for days. Here is a list of the best beach wavers in the market. 1. Bedhead Waiver Adjustable Waver. The 3 main reasons why people love this waver include: 1. It creates curls that last. Some swear that their waves last for up to 4 days. 2. With a simple turn of a dial, you can alternate between creating small, tighter curls, and larger and looser waves. 3. It has a relatively smaller barrel. This makes it easier to use on short hair, and it also makes it easier to handle. At the second place is the Modvica hair curler. This curler is a favorite because 1. It is so easy to use that one can get beautiful, natural looking, and lasting waves even when they don't have any skills. 2. It creates great waves so easily that it allows for faster styling. 3. The adjustable heat settings make it safe and effective for use on different hair types. As for the downsides, the one that most people point out is that it is relatively large and a little bulkier than you might expect. In the third place is the Waiver Salon Deep Hair Waver. The 3 main reasons why people love this hair waver is because: 1. It creates waves that last, even up to 2 days. This includes even hair that is typically hard to curl. 2. It creates beautiful soft beach waves that look really great and also look natural. 3. It is so easy to use that it shortens styling time. The one shortcoming that everyone points out is that it is made of plastic and that it has a cheap look. The lack of an auto shut-off feature is also a problem. But at the price, this beach waver is definitely worth it. The Bedhead hair curling iron comes in the 4th place. And the reasons why you might love this curling iron include the fact that: 1. It works incredibly fast and easy to use. 2. It has adjustable temperature settings and a convenient LED screen for temperature display. 3. It creates really beautiful natural looking waves, and it does so easily. The one thing that some users complain about is the fact that it can take a while to heat up. But other than that, it is a great curling iron for beachy waves. In the 5th place is the Sopan hair waver. This waver belongs in this list mainly because of: 1. Its consistency. 2. Fast heat up, and 3. It comes with a free comb, a bag and hair clips. The fact that it also adds volume is a plus. As for the downsides, the main one is that its buttons are placed poorly such that accidentally pressing them is common to a point of being annoying. These are the best hairstyling tools for creating beachy waves and beautiful curls. To find out more about them, use the links below to go to their product pages on Amazon. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Bye.